kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ramba ke Sorkar Jela Conrad Konggol Sangma habaya keren bat kilat pathai kubor mentaka sengi ke arterik Jembang hadin ke Jingïalang bat ketenat terikam Cmpdi ketenat klau lembat ke mining jong ke Sorkar Jela ulaong ba ke Jingtih jong ke Jingïalang kalong ban train ke benta pan penke imbiang bat ru ban pentemai ke Jingdo ha ke biadai bat ke Jingtih ki Marpoh Khyndew bat ru ki nar ladaki long ki barit ne ki bahe namar kumbalatip banakaliang ke Sorkar kala trei ki kam bat kala donru kamang tengkan ke benta ban pentemai Halor ke Jingtih ki Marpoh Khyndew bat kani kadai ke kam ke Sorkar kala bu jingmut ban sedang no bat kala donru ke Jingtih ketin bat kita nak terekam Henry ke Cmpdi kabalong ke Wayne kita nak terekam ke Biang Bah badru ke tenak terekam jong ke Sorkar India kibalong kita nak terekam ke Biang bat ke Shempang baro kini kikam bat lingba kini ke Jingïalang kabalong kermen ban yai bet yai renti kikam syakaman.
So basically, this is a meeting that was was held between Cmpdi and our Department of Forest and Mining, and the main objective is to work towards a plan for the reclamation of the mines. So whether it is minor minerals or major minerals, as you're aware that we have been working and there is a fund available with us for reclamation of the mines, and hence this is a process which we want to start, and we have been engaging with many agencies. But now Cmpdi, which is a very experienced agency, and the Government of India agency, is an agency which has vast experience in all these aspects. So we had a detailed meeting with them, and we are working towards how we should move forward for this entire issue of land reclamation.